Samsung and Google are joining forces to enhance the Galaxy S25 Ultra, making it a powerhouse of innovation. Hey everyone, welcome back. Remember the days when Samsung and Google were at odds over Android? Those times are long gone. In the past, Samsung would barely acknowledge Google at their events, even teasing Tizen as a potential Android rival. But at the S24 launch, it was clear that Samsung and Google have become tight-knit partners. If you caught the Unpacked event, you'd have seen Google sharing the spotlight, discussing not just the S24, but also upcoming features for the Pixel 8. The two tech giants have discovered the strength in unity, collaborating to introduce exciting Android features. A standout feature from Google's Circle to Search has become a hallmark of the S24. Now it appears Samsung and Google are deepening their AI collaboration. TM Rowe, the head of Samsung's mobile division, recently had a meeting with Google's AI chief, Rick Osterloh. The companies have announced a joint mission to create the ultimate Android ecosystem, teasing exciting things for future AI-driven Android and Galaxy experiences. The buzz is that the Galaxy S25 Ultra and Pixel 9 will boast new AI features from this partnership. While details are scarce, a South Korean report suggests big plans. The head of Samsung's LSI division confirmed on April 17th that the Galaxy S25 series will feature Google's cutting-edge on-device AI model, Gemini Nano 2. This was corroborated by news of a private Samsung-Google meeting focused on AI advancements for the Galaxy S25, likely centered around Gemini Nano 2. For those curious, Gemini Nano powers the on-device AI capabilities of the S24. With Gemini Nano 2, the Galaxy S25 is expected to deliver even more sophisticated AI features that work offline and are battery efficient. We're still guessing about the specifics of these AI features, but with Google I/O 2024 approaching in May, we might soon have answers. Ice Universe hinted that the forthcoming One UI 6.1.1 update will revolve around video AI, though the exact functionalities remain a mystery. Currently, the S24's Video AI feature can transform standard videos into slow motion clips, so it's exciting to think about what's next. And there's more good news. The update is expected to roll out to new foldable devices in July, with the S24 series following soon after. For those eyeing an S24, Samsung is offering significant discounts. $200 off the S24 Ultra, $150 off the S24 Plus, and $75 off the standard S24. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.